is in there?
So we're getting ready to blow some bubbles here.
It wasn't much fun.
Blowing some bubbles, bud?
What do you want to do
I
now?
think we're starting to get a little tired. Let me see. Let Mommy see you blow bubbles. Mommy see. You blowing some bubbles? Yeah?
No way. Not if I have to do the shark tooth again.
Good job, buddy.
How about sparkly shark tooth? Oh, yes, it's Spike.
Okay, Spike. Huh?
Mama, run, Mama. Mama.
And show Mama how to blow bubbles, buddy.
All right, let's go.
Show Mommy how to blow bubbles.
Going to the jumping desk.
Yeah, you like those. Dinosaurs.
Wait, you guys.
You like dinosaurs?
The children's grass is on the other side of the children's stand. So? Well, my grandparents don't want me going across the Mama, run!
Oh, that's right. Things can do.
Show Mommy how to blow a bubble. You're funny. My bubble blowing boy. How's that taste? Yucky, you're not supposed to put it in your mouth like that, hon. Yeah, yucky. Alright, and we'll cut.